In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom template in Zoho Books, giving you the full 2025 guide. We'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring you're able to fully customize your templates to suit your business needs. First, let's head over to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're here, the next step is to locate the settings icon. This can usually be found in the top right corner. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu that contains various customization options for your account. When the menu appears, look for the section labeled Customization. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to tweak and adjust settings to your liking. Under the Customization menu, you'll find an option for PDF templates. Click on that to access all the templates available for your documents. At this stage, you might be tempted to edit an existing template, which is perfectly fine if you want to make quick adjustments. But for this guide, we're going to create something entirely new, so let's click on the option to create a new template. Zoho Books offers a range of pre-designed templates to choose from. Browse through the options and select one that closely matches your style and needs. Once you've made your choice, click on the Use This button to get started with customizing it. Now we move on to the template properties. This is where you can modify settings to personalize the template further. You can adjust various settings such as the layout and the overall appearance here. If you want to give your template a distinctive look, you can choose a color theme that aligns with your brand. Browse the color themes available and select the one that best suits your company's identity. With the color theme set, it's time to think about the text appearance. Click on the font option to choose a font style that complements your template and is easy to read. Keep in mind that readability is key, so select a font that maintains professionalism while being clear. Furthermore, if you wish to add a personal touch, you can even upload a custom background image to your template. This could be your company logo or any other image that represents your brand. To do this, simply click on the background section and follow the prompts to upload your preferred image. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, the final step is to save your new template. Just click the Save button to ensure that all your adjustments are stored and ready for use in future documents. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom template in Zoho Books, tailored perfectly to your business requirements. Feel free to explore further options and experiment with different designs to find what works best for you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy customizing in Zoho Books.